Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the incredible pace of in the world of technology. Today, we will diving into the exciting showdown between quantum computer and artificial intelligence. Imagine this tiny particle doing lightning-fast calculation versus smart machines that can learn and predict. It's a battle of superpower, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Get ready for the thrilling journey into the future as we explore the clash between quantum speed and AI smart. This is not just tech talk, it's a front research to the amazing world tomorrow. Let's find out who is leading the charge in the shaping of future. Imagine a computer that can solve puzzles faster than any computer you have seen. Quantum computer use tiny particle called qubits to do mind-boggling calculation, while AI is like your phone's brain. It's learned from the data and can recognize spaces, translate languages, and even play games. But it's not as fast as quantum computers. Quantum computers are like Sherlock Holmes that can crack codes and simulate molecules. They are the detectives of the tech world, while AI is great at spotting patterns. It can tell you which movie you like, diagnose diseases, and even write poems. But it's not always right. Picture a whole world where we find a new medicine faster, predict climate disaster, and optimize traffic. Quantum computer could be our secret weapons. AI is already here. Think chatbot, voice assistants, and personalized aids, but it needs more energy to work better. Building a big quantum computer is like solving a puzzle in a hurricane at start. While AI can be biased and sometimes make mistakes, plus training it is like feeding a hungry dog. Quantum computer is the mysterious hero waiting backstage. If it gets stronger, it could change everything. The hard-working star already on stage, but it needs a power up. And here you have it. Our trying dive into the world of quantum computer and artificial intelligence. The future of tech is brighter than ever, with quantum machine racing through calculation and AI learn and adapting to make our lives smoother. As we wrap up, remember these technologies have endless potential. Imagine that. What's possible when we combine quantum speed with AI smarts together? They could unlock new realms of discovery and transformation. So stay curious and keep dreaming big. The future is full of wonderful waiting to unfold. Thank for you joining us this adventure. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing the magic of innovation.